Hello, food lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something incredibly delicious and iconic in the world of Japanese cuisine, onigiri. These delightful rice balls are not only easy to make but also incredibly versatile. Whether you're a newbie in the kitchen or a seasoned chef, you'll find something exciting in this video. So, let's dive into the world of onigiri. First things first, let's start with the basics. What is onigiri? Onigiri, also known as Japanese rice balls, are a popular snack and comfort food in Japan. They're made by shaping cooked rice into triangles, balls, or cylinders, and often wrapped in nori, seaweed. Inside, you'll find a delicious filling, and they can be served hot or cold. Now, let's take a look at the history and cultural significance of onigiri. Onigiri has a long history dating back to the 8th century. It was originally used as a portable, convenient way to eat rice. Today, onigiri is not only a beloved street food but also an essential part of Japanese culture, often found in bento boxes, convenience stores, and home kitchens. To make perfect onigiri, you'll need some essential ingredients. Let's go through them. Ingredients: Japanese short grain rice, nori seaweed sheets, filling options, tuna, salmon, pickled plum, etc., salt. Sesame seeds, optional. Water for shaping. Onigiri mold, optional. The key to delicious onigiri is perfectly cooked rice. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Rinse the rice thoroughly until the water runs clear. This removes excess starch. Step 2. Cook the rice in a rice cooker or on the stovetop according to the package instructions. Step 3. Let it rest for 10 minutes after cooking to allow it to steam and become fluffy. Once you have your perfectly cooked rice, it's time to shape your onigiri. Let's see how it's done. Step 1. Wet your hands with a little salt water to prevent sticking. Step 2. Take a small handful of rice and shape it into a triangle, ball, or cylinder. Step 3. If you have an onigiri mold, use it for a perfect shape. Now, the fun part: choosing your filling. There are endless possibilities. Popular fillings include salmon, tuna, umeboshi, pickled plum, and kombu, seaweed. You can also get creative with ingredients like tempura, shrimp, or teriyaki chicken. To complete your onigiri, you'll want to wrap it in nori. Here's how. Step 1. Cut the nori sheet into strips. Step 2. Place the nori strip around your onigiri. Step 3. Use a little moisture to seal the nori. To make your onigiri even more enticing, consider decorating them. Use sesame seeds, colorful furikake, rice seasoning, or even small nori cutouts to add a personal touch to your onigiri. And now, the best part: serving and enjoying your freshly made onigiri. Whether you're having it as a quick snack, a bento box edition, or as part of a picnic, onigiri is always a delight. Before we conclude, let me share some handy tips and tricks to make your onigiri experience even better. Season the rice. Consider adding a mixture of rice vinegar, sugar, and salt to season the rice slightly for that classic sushi rice flavor. Keep your hands wet. To prevent the rice from sticking to your hands while shaping, keep a bowl of salt water nearby. Experiment with shapes. While triangles are traditional, don't be afraid to experiment with other shapes like hearts, stars, or animals. Portability. Onigiri are perfect for on-the-go eating. Wrap them in plastic wrap or place them in a bento box to keep them fresh. Grill or toast. For a different flavor experience, try grilling or toasting your onigiri for a crispy exterior. Onigiri can be enjoyed on their own, but they're also fantastic when paired with other dishes. Consider serving your onigiri with miso soup, pickled vegetables, or a simple salad to create a well-rounded meal. It's a great way to explore different flavors and textures. Did you know that onigiri come in many regional variations throughout Japan? From the triangular onigiri of Tokyo to the cylindrical onigiri of Osaka and the larger, round onigiri of Hokkaido, each region has its own unique take on this beloved snack. Onigiri are not just for everyday snacking. They can be a part of special occasions too. During celebrations and festivals, you can find onigiri adorned with colorful toppings, making them a delightful addition to any festive spread. I have a challenge for all of you watching right now. Try making your own onigiri and share your creations on social media. Use the hashtag #onigiri-challenge and tag us at imagenishvideos. We'll feature some of the most creative onigiri on our channel. Before we go, let's answer a few questions from our viewers. You will be think that, can I make onigiri with brown rice? Absolutely. While traditional onigiri use white rice, you can certainly make a healthier version with brown rice. And now, a little behind-the-scenes fun. Check out these bloopers and outtakes. Filming isn't always smooth sailing, and we have our fair share of laughs and mishaps along the way. Well, that's a wrap for today's onigiri adventure. Remember to embrace the joy of cooking and trying new things in the kitchen. Thank you for joining us, and we can't wait to see your onigiri creations. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more culinary journeys. Until next time, happy eating!